What up, YouTube? Back again. The Can-Am Ryker Shadow Black. To all my YouTube and Ryker riders, about to do this big rollout for fight against breast cancer. Thousands and thousands of bikes are coming out. I'm going to have all types of footage, different Rykers, Slingshots, Spyders. It's going to be epic. Just follow me on this journey. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. And then also my new podcast, Rolling on 3 for all three-wheelers. Hit me up in the email if you want to be on that podcast. Follow me. Got the Ryker here with the fender delete, looking sick.
I ain't trying to be funny. I'm just asking.
What up, everybody? It's your man, Shadow Black, out here for the big ride out. It's a movie out here. Everybody showed up for their love for the fight against cancer. We have all types of bikes. People brought out their bikes, their mini bikes. We had custom cars out here. We had Slingshots, Spyders, Rykers. You name the bike, it was out here in full force. Had to come through, everybody showed up, it was a full movie. Check out all my videos. I put up on Instagram, Shadow Black Ryker. On Twitter, you can find me on Server Wands. You can find me on YouTube at La Love Rods. I've just started my new podcast, Rolling on 3. So any three-wheelers out there want to talk, I got a podcast started. You can see it on YouTube and Spotify. Everybody came out and showed love. There's a movie out here. Much appreciated. Money was raised. Everybody had a good time. It's all good. I'm riding out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Represent. Thank you for promoting my channel and all my subscribers. Thanks for helping me out. I'm riding out.